Thomas Mesnier, born 4 March 1986, is a French physician and politician of La République En Marche, LREM, who has been serving as a member of the French National Assembly since the 2017 elections, representing the first constituency of the department of Charente. Mesnier grew up in Juignac, Charente. During his medical studies at the University of Poitiers, he joined the National Association of Medical Students in France. In 2013, he became an emergency doctor at the Angoulême Hospital Center. A member of En Marche in the Charente, Mesnier was elected his party's candidate for the first constituency of Charente. In the parliamentary elections of 2017, he came first in the first round with 38% of the vote, far ahead of the candidate of La France Insoumise, Martine Boutin, and outgoing deputy Martine Pinville. On 18 June 2017, he was elected with 95% of the votes against Martine Boutin. In the National Assembly, Mesnier serves on the Committee on Social Affairs. In this capacity, he was his parliamentary group's rapporteur on Social Security from 2019 to 2022. In addition to his committee assignments, Mesnier is also a vice president of the French-British Parliamentary Friendship Group. Also since November 2017, Mesnier has been part of LREM Executive Board under the leadership of the party's successive chairmen Christophe Castaner and Stanislas Guerini. He was re-elected in the 2022 election. On 2 December 2022, his election was annulled by the Constitutional Council.